Hello everyone, welcome to Lotus YouTube channel. This is Alisha and today in this video I'm gonna share with you how can you use different types of beauty blenders in different ways. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
This one is an all-purpose beauty blender. It is designed in a way which can cover the entire surface of your face very easily. Do not rub the beauty blender. Dab it so that the product can blend easily. This blender works extremely well for liquid foundation. It removes the excess product and blends them into the skin, giving a natural looking and flawless base. As you can see on my face, this is great for liquid concealer as well. After applying the concealer all over your face, you can use this beauty blender to blend the concealer. It does not make your face cakey and gives your face a smooth and even look. I'm using a lipstick as a blush. I'm applying it on my cheek and blending it with the same beauty blender, and it will leave a nice tint on my cheek. This one is a flat-ended beauty blender. Its flat edges are used for patting and blending powder-based products. I'm using this blender to apply compact on my face. It gives a matte finish to the face and provide a very natural looking and sheer coverage to the skin. This is amazing for powder blush as well. You'll notice that your blush does not look flaky and looks extremely natural and chic. This beauty blender can be used to apply eyeshadow as well. I'm dabbing the eyeshadow on my eyelid with the same beauty blender. You can see how nice the application has been. This is a Hourglass beauty blender. It has super pointed tip which is used to cover the smallest areas. This beauty blender covers the area under the mouth, over the lips, and the inner corner of the nose, leaving no crease. And also under the eyes, covering all the crease.
If you want to see more videos like these, then subscribe the channel and stay updated.